How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. And today, guys, I just want to say Merry Christmas. Quick update video on some new setup technology for the channel. So once again, I just want to say Merry Christmas. Happy holidays to everyone celebrating out there. If you guys would be so kind, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe if you're new, and hit that notification bell if you guys are interested in technology related tutorials and some product reviews. I do those a lot. So without further ado, let's get into the meat of the video. And it's this right here. As you can see, I'm using my normal microphone right here. This was like fee fine $20 mic off Amazon. This is a Blue Yeti. I got like the red edition. It looks really nice. Sorry, it's a subscriber noise. So yeah, Blue Yeti, really high quality microphone. This normally goes for like over $100, and I got it for actually under $100, which is cool. So it's a professional condenser microphone. It's got like literally all these different settings on it. I can't really go through every single one in this video, but cardioid, I don't know if I'm saying that right, cardioid, stereo, omnidirectional, bi-directional, so different ways of recording voices depending on your environment and how many people you have around. So it looks like this, obviously, with the cool stand and this, and it just goes through all the features. You can adjust the volume and whatnot, and I like on the back here they have all these pictures of Yetis on them. So yeah, Blue Yeti. Blue is a fantastic microphone company. If you guys didn't know, they also make the Blue Snowball, which is a really nice microphone as well. So I picked up a Blue Yeti microphone to increase the audio quality on this channel. This should do fantastic in future videos. So you're listening to my $20 microphone that I've been using for the past, I don't even know past year actually, because I got this last Christmas. So I'm going to be using this as the channel continues going forward, and this should increase the audio quality immensely because the Blue Yeti, as I said, is fantastic. Most YouTubers use this, and it's an awesome microphone overall. You can do interviews on this, and you can even use this for podcasts. I might use this for my podcast as well. I just have to figure out a way of making my podcast connect to my computer. I think I'm going to need a audio mixer for that, so I'll look into that to try to get 2 USB microphones into my computer. So I'll figure it out. So guys, yeah, that's been this video. Pretty quick rundown. So now I have the webcam and the microphone and this other webcam right here. So everything should be solid. Let me just turn it like that. So new setup coming soon. Got all this cool stuff. As I said, Merry Christmas, guys. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Subscribe if you're new, hit that notification bell, and shout out to Life Made Easy Podcast, which I'm probably going to be using this on in the future, which is awesome. Up my audio quality immensely. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next upcoming video. Go check out my recent videos that I've been posting, and also check out my podcast and all that good stuff. So guys, happy holidays. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.